Hello, I'm Jason from O.S.B Pump Factory. Today I will introduce the differences between fluorine circulating system with internal or external coil and water circulating system. As you can see in this picture, internal coil means the heating coil is inside the water tank and heat water directly. External coil means the heating coil is outside the water tank and depends on the inner tank to transfer heat into water. In these two cases, the water tank itself is the heat exchanger. Heat pump units will use refrigerant pipes to connect with coils in this system. Next part, let's take a look of water circulating system. There is a heat pump unit and using water pipes connect to the water tank. This system will finish the heat exchange part in the heat pump and discharge hot water into water tank. The heat exchanger will be inside the heat pump unit. At last, let's summarize the differences between these three systems. First, heating efficiency. Internal coil and water circulating system are high heating efficiency, and the external coil is medium heating efficiency. And the water quality requirement. Internal coil will require high water quality, but it is low requirement of water quality for external coil and water circulating system. Refrigerant option. Internal coil and water circulating can use R410A and R32 refrigerant, but external coil can only use R134A refrigerant to get enough heating efficiency. For the installation, because internal and external coil need to connect refrigerant pipes, it will be difficult to install. Besides, water circulating system will be very easy to install. That is only need to connect water pipes. If you want more details, please contact our sales manager. Thank you for watching.